Hello everyone, welcome to Clarusway channel. This is Serdar. I'm a cloud engineer at Clarusway AWS team. Today I'm gonna show you how to publish your static website on S3 bucket without using any server. First of all, you should log in your AWS account and click S3. And we need to create a S3 bucket. Click create bucket. You can name it by any name, but if you are gonna connect it with your domain name, it's better to call it with your domain name. But I'm gonna call Clarusway AWS team as name and choose region. I'm gonna keep it as US East 1, and you can copy the settings from any bucket. And make sure uncheck the block all public access box, and AWS asks you to confirm your choice and click the create button, create bucket button, and go to the bucket that you created and upload your files and add files. Click the add files and select your files. Yeah, here they are. And come to the I'm gonna use standard storage class for this, and come to the access control list. Make sure the check read box for public access for everyone, and check the confirmation button, and then click the upload button. Yeah, they have been uploaded, and come to the bucket. Go to the properties here and scroll down. At the bottom of the page, you can see static website hosting, and click edit and enable the static website hosting, and write your default page name. My default page name index HTML, and this is the returned when an error occurs. I'm gonna write error HTML, and I don't have any error HTML, but you can put your files, error.html files inside your bucket, and save changes. And scroll down at the bottom of the page. S3 gives you an endpoint to reach these websites, and copy that endpoint and paste your browser and hit enter. Here it is, our website, static website, and Kittens Carousel. Thank you joining us. Take care, guys.